Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer cash and stocks into Vanguard Personal Advisor, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer cash and stocks into your Vanguard Personal Advisor account, start by logging into your Vanguard account. If you don't have an account yet, visit the Vanguard website and create one. Once logged in, navigate to the My Accounts section found in the top menu. Click on Transfer Money or Securities to begin the transfer process. You will be presented with options for transferring cash or transferring investments. Select Transfer Investments if you are moving stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds. If you prefer to transfer cash, choose the Transfer Cash option. For transferring investments, you'll need to provide details about the assets you want to transfer. Have the necessary account information from your current brokerage or financial institution ready. Fill out the required fields with accurate account details, including your account type and the assets being transferred. Review Vanguard's list of eligible assets to ensure your stocks or funds are compatible. After entering your asset information, review the transfer amount and type to confirm accuracy. Next, you may need to complete a transfer form depending on your previous account institution. Download and print the specific transfer form provided by Vanguard. Fill out the form with the required information, including your personal information and account details. Submit the completed transfer form as per the instructions given. You may choose to submit the form electronically or send it via mail, depending on what is available. Once submitted, check the status of your transfer in the My Accounts section. Transfers typically take a few days to process, but this can vary by institution. Monitor your Vanguard account for updates and confirmations regarding the completion of your transfer. If you have any questions during the process, Vanguard's customer service is available for assistance. Be sure to keep any documentation regarding the transfer for your records. Your cash and stocks will soon be transferred to your Vanguard Personal Advisor account, allowing you, if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.